In today's video, I'm gonna walk you guys through how to create and verify your Binance account. Now, first, what I recommend you guys do is simply open your app store. I'm currently on my iOS device. Head to the search section, just like you will installing a new app, and search Binance, and you see this Binance apps options coming. Simply tap on Binance. What I recommend you doing, I've already installed this app, so I recommend you simply opening the app. Now you'll be redirected to this page here. You being a new user, I recommend you simply tapping on sign up slash login. On this next page, they'll rather give you the login page, but simply tap on create a Binance account below. Tap on here, simply use your email or your phone number. I'll go ahead and use my email address. Tap on next one done. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Simply go ahead and copy that code and paste it here. Now I just pasted mine here and put in a strong password. I recommend you creating a very strong password. Tap on next one done. Now Binance will welcome you on board. Now what you see, do you have an inviter? You guys can simply do us a favor and put us we will leave a code below. You guys can simply enter that code here and you earn rewards, while we also earn rewards such as low fees while trading. Tap on next after putting in that code below. Now here they'll automatically redirect you to a page where you can verify with your ID card, your passport, or your driving license. Choose your country first and choose the document type you want to proceed with verification. I've chosen ID card. You can choose to take pictures of it or simply upload pictures of it. Tap on I'll simply go ahead and upload pictures. Then first is to upload the front side of your ID card. Tap on upload. You can go ahead and choose your ID card. I already have a Binance account, so I'll simply go ahead and choose from different images here. Tap on the back side to simply choose any. After you guys have simply uploaded an ID card here, you guys can simply tap on continue. And after you've continued, like for example, let's tap on continue now. I haven't yet I didn't choose a real ID card. They chose some random shoes. Now after choosing an ID card, they will recommend you proceeding with phrase verification. That's when you have to simply move your phrase in front of your own front camera screen. And after you being successful with the phrase verification, you simply have your Binance account ready and active for trading. And that's it, guys. This is how to create and verify your Binance account. If you guys like this video, kindly leave a thumbs up and subscribe and stay updated anytime we release a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.